Hello, millionaires. Welcome back to Wondrous Millionaires, your ultimate channel for all things opulent and refined. Today, we are diving deep into the world of old money. That's right, we are uncovering the elusive traits that scream old money. Stick around to the end for a special bonus tip that will leave you in awe. So, let's get started. Alright, millionaires, let's unravel the mysteries of old money with our first point. Number 1. Timeless style over flashy trends. First up, old money is all about timeless style over fleeting trends. Imagine walking into a room and spotting someone in a classic Savile Row suit or a beautifully draped Banarsi sari. These aren't just clothes, they're statements of heritage and sophistication. Unlike the nouveau riche, old money prefers elegance that stands the test of time. For instance, in India, a simple yet exquisite Kanjivaram sari passed down through generations speaks volumes more than the latest designer wear. It's not about flaunting labels but about embodying a legacy. Do you agree, millionaires? Number 2. Understated luxury in lifestyle choices. Next, we have understated luxury in lifestyle choices. Old money doesn't scream wealth, it whispers it. Think of a serene heritage bungalow in the heart of the city, surrounded by lush gardens. Or the understated elegance of a vintage Rolls-Royce quietly parked in the driveway. It's about the subtlety and grace with which they carry their riches. In India, examples like the classic Jodhpur mansions or a family-owned coffee estate in Coorg reflect this quiet opulence. Millionaires, have you ever noticed how true wealth doesn't need to shout? Number 3. Exclusive social circles and traditions. Coming up, we are talking about exclusive social circles and traditions. Old money families often belong to elite clubs and participate in age-old traditions. Think about the Tata family attending prestigious polo matches or the Mahindras hosting a grand charity gala. These aren't just events, they're time-honored traditions that reinforce their legacy. The exclusivity of their social circles is a hallmark of old money, setting them apart from the glitz and glamour of the nouveau riche. Millionaires, have you ever wondered how these traditions create a sense of belonging and continuity? Number 4. Ancestral homes and estates. Our fourth point is ancestral homes and estates. Old money is deeply rooted in legacy, often reflected in sprawling ancestral homes that have been in the family for generations. Imagine the majestic palaces of Rajasthan or the centuries-old colonial bungalows in South India. These properties are not just homes but symbols of heritage and continuity. Unlike modern, flashy homes, these estates tell a story of the family's history and values. Millionaires, can you feel the charm and grandeur that these ancestral homes exude? Number 5. Patronage of the arts. Old money is often synonymous with the patronage of the arts. It's about fostering culture and creativity. Think about families like the Birlas and the Tatas, who have funded countless art galleries, museums, and classical music events. Their support isn't about a fleeting trend but a lifelong commitment to preserving and nurturing the arts. From collecting rare paintings to sponsoring cultural festivals, old money sees art as a legacy to be cherished and passed down. Millionaires, don't you think true wealth lies in the beauty and richness of our cultural heritage? Number 6. Discreet wealth display. Point 6 is all about discreet wealth display. Old money doesn't need to flaunt their riches with ostentatious displays. They prefer subtle indicators of their wealth, like a well-worn Patek Philippe watch or a quiet family-owned yacht. In India, it's akin to owning a collection of rare hand-woven saris or a heritage jewelry piece that has been in the family for generations. It's the quiet confidence of knowing you have wealth that doesn't need validation through loud displays. Millionaires, isn't there something profoundly elegant about such subtlety? Number 7. Long-term financial planning and investments. Next, let's talk about long-term financial planning and investments. Old money is built on generations of strategic financial planning and wise investments. Unlike the nouveau riche who may chase quick profits, old money focuses on sustainable growth through diversified portfolios, including real estate, stocks, and sometimes even rare collectibles. In India, consider the traditional business families who have been meticulously growing their wealth through conservative yet impactful investments for decades. Millionaires isn't the secret to lasting wealth found in foresight and careful planning. Number 8. Education and intellectual pursuits. Point 8 brings us to education and intellectual pursuits. Old money families often prioritize high-quality education and intellectual growth. They might have degrees from prestigious institutions like Harvard or Oxford or be patrons of academic scholarships and educational foundations. In India, the emphasis is often on sending children to premier institutions like the Indian Institutes of Technology (IITs) or the Indian Institutes of Management (IIMs). It's not just about earning degrees but fostering a culture of knowledge and critical thinking. Millionaires, do you believe that true wealth is enriched by wisdom and learning? Number 9. Generational wealth and family legacy. Coming up, we have generational wealth and family legacy. Old money is often characterized by wealth that has been carefully preserved and passed down through multiple generations. This isn't just about financial inheritance but also the passing down of values, traditions, and a sense of responsibility. In India, consider the Wadia family or the Kirloskar family, who have managed to maintain and grow their family businesses over generations. It's about continuity and building a legacy that lasts. Millionaires, how do you see the role of legacy in defining true wealth? Number 10. Philanthropy and community service. Last but not least, old money is deeply connected with philanthropy and community service. Wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's about giving back to society. Old money families often engage in charitable activities, funding schools, hospitals, and social causes. Think of the Azim Premji Foundation or the contributions of the Murthy family towards education and healthcare in India. Their philanthropy is driven by a genuine desire to make a lasting impact. Millionaires, doesn't true wealth mean sharing and uplifting others? And now, millionaires, here's the special bonus point you've all been waiting for. Bonus point number 11. Respect for heritage and tradition. The bonus point is respect for heritage and tradition. Old money families have a profound respect for their cultural roots and traditions. This can be seen in their celebrations, rituals, and even the way they maintain family heirlooms and practices. In India, this might be reflected in the grand Durga Puja celebrations in a Bengali Zmindar family or the meticulous upkeep of a family temple. It's about honoring where they come from and preserving it for future generations. Millionaires, isn't there something truly priceless about maintaining and celebrating our heritage? So, there you have it, millionaires. 10 definitive traits that scream old money. From timeless style and understated luxury to philanthropy and respect for heritage, these characteristics define a legacy that goes beyond mere wealth. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these traits do you think is most important in defining old money? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more insights into the world of luxury. Stay classy, millionaires, and see you in the next video.